Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Jay, and today is a Saturday over here in New York, and it's still winter. The temperature is about like 38 degrees, and we're in the upstate New York, so it's gonna go down to like under 20 tonight. So it's gonna be cold camping tonight. I got my diesel heater, so hopefully that works well. So what we're doing today is we're gonna be with a couple of guys, friends. They're on the way here. I'm the first one. We're at the I'm at the entrance to get to the camp spot. This trail is pretty easy. I think any truck can come in here without any lift kit. But today condition is we still have snow in New York upstate, and I don't know how this is gonna work, but I think we'll be fine with this. I think we just have to air down a little bit, and let's see how it goes. What's up, buddy?
What's up, Travis?
Man, nice to meet you, man. Finally with me. How's it ride?
It wasn't bad. Everything was blocked
Yeah?
the whole way down. Every road I tried to reroute had 6-7 feet of snow in front of it.
Wow. And can Tundra handle it?
It should be able to come from this side right here. We should be fine.
Yeah, we should be fine. Air down a little bit. There we go.
Come a little bit this way. There you go.
There we go. We're making a progress, and there's the bridge over here. Let's see. Travis Tundra can fit it in. Let's come straight. Woo! Come this way, come this way.
Good girl still got it.
guys like this video, please help me out. All you have to do is just hit the like and subscribe. All right, thank you very much. Almost here. We're at the camping spot, but hey, what a nice day. I mean, it's snowing. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's snowing a little bit too, and it was fun. It wasn't too hard. We only used the winch one time, so now I can just set up my truck and get a beer and have a dinner and just relax the night. All right, let's go. This is how I set it up. Here's my G, and as you can see here, with Toki, she's with me today. And here's my tent set it up, my awning. I have my diesel heaters over there too. And look at this, guys. I parked my camp spot is right next to the water. I'm gonna be hearing this all night. Then when I wake up tomorrow, there's a water sound. I'm gonna hearing this, and look at this view. But hey, Travis, how did you like the trails today?
I was the only one who got stuck, so I hated them.
At least you got to use the first,
you know, bust the winch out a little bit.
Yep.
We're good now. Fridge is down.
So how you like the camping spot over here?
Spot's great.
Yeah.
I mean, I love being by the water. A little bit of snow. We had to plow it down a little bit first, but not too bad.
All right. Sounds good.
What are you doing, girl?
She's very needy. Okay, let me feed you here. I know you're hungry. All right. Hey, Christine, I'm feeding Toki, okay? All right, Toki, were you hungry? Yeah? Damn, you're just eating. Hey, Travis, how you like the Devo light?
Oh, I love it.
Yeah?
So it's bright as can be. Lights up. One of them just lights up the whole back area. Everything I need for cooking.
Yeah. Would you recommend it to people to get it?
Oh, I'd say buy at least one.
Yeah.
I might upgrade to two, kind of give me a little more space, cover the whole vehicle, but one's definitely enough for.
What do you like about it? Like, what are the good benefits that you would like to share to the people?
How easy it is to recharge, how bright it is, the fact that you can telescope it, what's it, 9 feet tall or something like that. It's got all the different color filters, so you can kind of dim it a little bit to an amber tone. You can keep it as a bright white. You have tons of options. Bad.
You're a chef tonight, so what are we cooking?
I don't know how I got designated. Luckily, my girlfriend pre-made most of the stuff.
So what's the menu for tonight, sir?
We got coconut shrimp right here. Nice and delicious. Actually smells delicious. And we got some seasoned shrimp. Get that all cooked up, and then you have pork, right?
Yep.
Okay, we got pork. We got tons of beer.
All right, it's gonna be a long night. All right, guys. So technically, this is made by the Travis girlfriends. What's her name?
Rebecca.
Rebecca. All right, I'm gonna taste this. Oh my god, the rice tastes good. The shrimp tastes really good. Thank you, Rebecca. Tastes good. Guess who's missing out right now?
Johan. Johan is missing out because he didn't want to leave on time.
Come on, man, we're waiting for you, but
Typical.
is that how Colombian works? Travis, where's Johan?
Not here.
What time is it right now? It's 11:27.
And he's still not here.
Still not here, and it's freaking snowing. It's pouring like crazy right now. Woo! Where's Johan? Look who's here!
What's going on?
What's going on? Winter camp right here. Here's a real one, finally. Chico, were you guys scared? Did you get scared?
Yo, what happened to a blizzard over there, right?
Bro, it's
Yo,
crazy.
there was a moment there, yo, that shit just came down hard. I'm like, yo, what is this dude, bro? What's going on,
It's
bro?
coming down hard, bro.
Travis. Juan, how you doing?
Anytime it smells, yeah. Like a baby. I love that thing, but on trails, it's fucking.
All right, guys. So I'm in the tent now. Right now it's about 3 a.m. We had such a great night, and now inside of the tent, I'm using a diesel heater. So his heater is coming up, and yeah, I got my blanket over here, which is gonna make me warm. Because of the diesel heater, I'm pretty warm right now. And we got Toki. She got her spot, so she's sleeping. So yeah, man, this was such a great night. I think we drank, we ate. I mean, we didn't expect there's gonna be snow, but it's snowing outside. It was such a great night. So I'm just gonna have a good sleep and be ready for tomorrow. All right, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, bye.